Hello, boys and girls. Today is our second lesson for Foundations Unit 10. I want you to listen carefully because tomorrow we're going to try to take a test. Okay, so let's get started. All right, here is our letter tiles. Let's review what we learned in our last video. So I'm going to build a word. And I would like for you to sound it out as I build it. So I have P, L, A, N, T. Okay, and I'm going to add a suffix, suffix ed. Now remember, ed can say two things, ed or id. Say that with me, ed, id. Fantastic. All right, boys and girls, what is the base word? Great job. It's plant and the suffix word? Planted. Good job. All right, now we're going to practice some more words before we learn 3 new trick words. All right, so here's what I will do. I'm going to build a word. We're going to say the base word and then we're going to say the suffix word. Are you ready? Fantastic. All right. Oops, sorry. I made my computer sing. Okay, here is our next word. Remember, sound out the base word as I'm building it. D, R, A, F, T. Okay, there's our base word. Now let's add a suffix. What is the base word? Great job. Draft. What is the suffix? Drafted. Wonderful. Now let's say the base word and then the suffix. Ready? Draft, drafted. Wonderful. Now we're going to do that for the rest of the words that I build. We're going to say the base word and then suffix word. Draft, drafted. Okay? This means somebody already drafted something. Remember, ed means it's already happened. Okay, now let's pull these letters aside. All right, and now remember to sound out as I am building the word. Okay, I have S, Q, U, I, N, T. Okay, and then here's my suffix. Okay, ready? What is the base word? Squint. Suffix word? Squinted. Okay, let's say base word suffix. Squint, squinted. Now you say it. Wonderful. Okay, now on our next word, you're going to say the base word and suffix word, and then I'll tell it to you to make sure you can check yourself. So we're going to leave the same base word, but we're going to bring down a new suffix word. Boys and girls, I want you to say the base word and then the suffix word. Okay, you should have said squint, squinting. If you did not, say that with me. Squint, squinting. Wonderful. That means the squinting that the squinting is happening right now. I am squinting my eyes. Okay? Next word. Oh, I'm sorry guys, bear with me. It's new. Okay. Our next word, sound it out as I build it. It's going to be a tricky one. S, P, L. I added a 3-consonant blend. A, SH, suffix ED. Okay, right now I want you to say the base word and suffix word. All right, ready? The base word and suffix word are splash, splashed. Did you say splash, splashed? Wonderful. All right, now let's change that suffix to ing. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to tell me the base word and the suffix word. Did you say splash, splashing? Great job. I really think you guys are going to get the hang of this real quick. Okay, splashing means I'm splashing right now. Okay, let's try another word. Let's try the word trust. Oh, I just told you. Okay, we'll come back to that one. We're going to do 2 more words. Ready? Sound out the base word as I build it. Okay, and here's our suffix. Now, boys and girls, I want you to tell me base word, suffix word. Did you say blend, blended? Awesome! All right, last word we're going to build before we move on and learn some new trick words today. Okay, ready? Sound out the base word as I move the letter tiles. T, W, I, S, T, and then here's our suffix, ing. Boys and girls, I would like you to say the base word and suffix. Did you say twist, twisting? Ah, yeah, way to go. All right, now let's move on to some new trick words. I'm going to tell you the sentence and I want you to repeat the sentence. Ready? I am about to go out to play. Now count the number of words that are in that sentence. I am about to go out to play. Did you get 8 words? Awesome. All right, now let's pull our sentence frames down and say this, or let's pull it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we asking a question or saying something exciting? Nope, so we're going to put this box at the end. Ready? All right, here is our sentence. All right, listen carefully because I'm going to circle a word. Are you ready? Let me get my pen out. Okay. All right, listen to the sentence again and tell me if you can figure out what this word is. Ready? I am about to go out to play. What word did I just circle? Wonderful, I circled out. Okay, ready? I'm going to circle another word. Great job. Now, tell me, what word did I just circle? All right, let's see if you're right. I am about to go out to play. If you said about, you are absolutely correct. Now, let's read that word together, or this sentence together. Ready? I am about to go out to play. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, let's do our next sentence. Our next sentence says, Mrs. Meyer is our teacher. Say that sentence with me. Mrs. Meyer is our teacher. Okay, now I want you to count the number of words in that sentence. Ready? Did you get 5? Awesome. Okay, let's pull the boxes down. Ready? Mrs. Meyer is our teacher. What, Mrs. Meyer made a mistake? No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 word boxes. Where's my mistake? I started my sentence with a capital letter. I have my period box. It's not a question. You're right. This second box, that should be a capital letter box, right? Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I have you to help me. Okay, let's fill in our sentence. Voila, there is our sentence. Okay, I want you to tell me the word that I am circling. Are you ready? Okay, what word did I circle in our sentence? Did you say are? Awesome! Great job, boys and girls. Now let's read our sentence. Ready? Mrs. Meyer is our teacher. Let's read that again. Mrs. Meyer is our teacher. Fantastic. Now get your finger pencils ready. I want you to put it on a flat surface beside you, and you're going to trace and spell the word out loud. Let's start with out. Oh wait, hold on. Ow. Out. About. Our. Uh-oh, I hear a vowel team in those 3 words. Boys and girls, what vowel team do you hear in those words? That's right. O-U, ow. Awesome. All right, now let's put our pointer fingers on a flat surface, the table, desk, whatever you're sitting at, and let's trace and spell the trick words out loud. Ready? O, U, T, out. Now let's move to the next word. A, B, O, U, T, about, and the last one, O, uh-oh, where'd my hand go? Here we go. O, U, R, R. Out, about, R. Wonderful job, boys and girls. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.